how to shorten your jeans pants into shorts. You need to measure your pants. You need to try them on to mark how long or short you want them to be. So you can pin them with pins and then mark it where the edge is going to be, the finished hem, or you can measure them and mark it with fabric marker. Next, you will want to remove the pins and make a line how you're going to cut. We're going to make a line. I'm going to go a little bit on the diagonal, like the way the waistline goes. I'm not going to go straight. This is going to be the finished hem. And next, I am going to add about 1.5 inches for my fold. So 1.5 inches, and why I'm giving 1.5 inches is because I want this finished hem to be wider. Not 1/2 inch wide, more like a 3/4 wide. So 1.5 inches would be right here. And then 1/2 inch for fold, and mine finished hem will be actually 1 inch wide. So now I am going to put another line, which will be the thickness. Okay, and then this is going to be the line for my cutting. Now you have two options. You can put the bottom, whatever's left, on top of your other leg and then cut it. Or you can also put one up on top of the other one and mark it. This side and then the other side. So, like I said, either you can use the bottom, whatever's left, to mark your other leg, or you can nicely align one on top of the other one with the pockets on this side and then mark it. And then mark. So this is the cut hem. This is for the fold, that line, and then we have the finish line over here, the hem line. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn them inside out. Now you've got that line to follow, which is the fold line and then the finish line. Okay. If you have that removable arm, just remove it. Repeat same thing on the other side. Let's double check just to make sure that the sides are the same length. Beautiful. So this was a tutorial on how to shorten your jeans. Any pants, you can go shorter even if you like. So this technique will work for any type of pants. Thank you for watching.